Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how I leverage AI in my day-to-day content creation. So this video is meant to talk about how AI can be beneficial, how I use it to scale my content creation, content editing, and repurposing time so that my workflow is faster and I'm not spending a lot of manual time trying to do everything, and really just focus on growing my YouTube channel following. And so two of the things that I primarily use in terms of AI for my business, especially for YouTube, which is really Descript. And so if you'd like to learn more and try it out, you can support me with my affiliate link in the description below. And you can also check out my other playlist on Descript. I primarily use Descript and ChatGPT for my YouTube channel. With the introduction of the AI Underlord by Descript, now I can draft a description for my video, I can draft timestamps, I can even draft a title. I always try to run it through the Underlord to see what other creative titles that they can come up with that are more marketable and more attention grabbing. I also use ChatGPT because I am looking for video thumbnail ideas. When I plan ahead, what I do is I go into ChatGPT and I generate a bunch of ideas for video thumbnails, and then I take those ideas and then I summarize it, I clean it up a little bit more and synthesize it, and then I hand it off to a Fiverr designer who mocks up some thumbnails for me, and then that is my workflow. This has really saved me a lot of time because I used to just come up with ideas on my own, and while that is not a bad thing, AI is very helpful and it saves me time. Instead of thinking of ideas and looking for ideas for thumbnail, the machine already knows that there are certain elements that are very crucial to a engaging thumbnail for YouTube, and they can give me some ideas and then I can work with the designer to modify that. And then same thing with the AI Underlord at Descript. While I can come up with my own video title, sometimes the machine might have some better ideas on how to make my title more catchy and more attractive so that people are interested in watching it and clicking on it. And then also I take advantage of the description. So I try to tell the Underlord, the AI machine bot, what I'm looking for in terms of tone, because that's the hardest thing for a machine to understand, is the human tone and the human voice. And so I want to train the machine to really hear and write something that really is my voice. Now, it's not always going to be 100% accurate, but it does help me a lot by generating the description with a certain kind of style and pattern that I like, and then I can go ahead and tweak that, and then all together I spend maybe 2 hours editing and content creation and repurposing for my YouTube channel. Now, the one caveat I will mention is with the repurposing and creating reels and social posts, I don't necessarily always like what the AI has done. And so for some of those, I choose to take what they have and review it and then decide if I like it or not. And if I don't, then I'll go ahead and create my own social reels based on what I think is important to highlight from this specific video. So now I'm going to stop and give you a preview of how I use Underlord and how I use ChatGPT. I'm going to use an existing video that I recorded on how to create funnels in Thinkific step by step and show you how I leverage the AI Underlord to scale this project for YouTube. So every time I record a video, what I'm going to do is take advantage of Underlord for specifically two things: draft a title and draft a YouTube description. So it's here in the published section. And so when I click on draft a title, I've already given some examples of what I want the words in the title to sound like. And then maybe I want to say something like, I want to make this catchy. I want to focus on step by step. And so I train the AI to look for and generate ideas for a title that would be really based on what I'm looking for. And then I hit submit. And now I have a bunch of ideas for a title, and I can take and look at them and decide which ones I want to use. I can copy these onto a Word document and eliminate which ones over time, or I can just pick one quickly and then copy it and paste it into my YouTube publishing video title. Then when I'm done, I'm going to click on done. and then I'm going to focus on the YouTube description. And so here, this is where, again, it's really important to train the AI and the machine to think and speak like you, even though it's very challenging and it's not easy. And so I would say I want to go for an informal and relaxed tone. And then I always want my description to start with "in this video," so that the more instructions that I give the machine, the more I can just take what they give me and then plug it into my description. I've already done this a few times, but I'll just show you again and click submit. And so now they've given me a description for my YouTube video. Then I can copy this and then paste this into my YouTube publishing for each week. And now I've created a video and title and description in less than 5 minutes. That makes my whole project much faster and much easier to keep going with, because I have other videos that I'm producing and other videos that I'm recording. I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT also in my content workflow. I will plug in ChatGPT. So I plug into ChatGPT, say, I want you to help me come up with ideas for a YouTube video thumbnail on how to set up a funnel in Thinkific step by step. And so they give me a lot of great ideas, and then what I'll do is I'll copy it, and then I'll take a combination of these ideas and send it to a designer, and then they will then have idea on how to create an engaging thumbnail based on some ideas that the AI has given me. Like I said, a combination of ChatGPT and the AI Underlord, it takes me no more than 15 minutes to get this video edited, condensed, and published for each week. And that's just an overview of how AI can really save you time, which is money, and allow you to focus on other important things. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have questions or feedback or how I can help further.